You may have heard of an animating technique called procedural animation. It's used in popular games like Rain World, Spore, and No Man's Sky. It's basically like this. Instead of drawing a picture on the screen, the program has a recipe of how to draw it, and it follows the recipe. This results in animation that is smooth, versatile, and lifelike. But how do you make it? I decided to give it a try with my game engine of choice, Scratch. By the way, I was inspired by this video by user Argonaut. Check it out for a summary of how to make more precise animations. To start, I opened up my project Garden Snake. I had made this a few weeks prior for fun to see if I could make a smooth snake animation that can eat apples. I hopped into the project with Turbo Warp because it could get really slow in Scratch, and removed the apples, eating, background, and walls. Garden Snake uses a list of points to draw the snake in order, like a connect the dots puzzle. It uses pen to erase everything and redraw it every frame, so it stays smooth and sharp. What I wanted to do was transform this simple snake into a cute walking lizard. What I did first was use the cosine block on the snake's body to make its body change in width. The snake iterator variable increased as the program traveled up the snake's head, so I could plug that into a cosine function to make it change in width. Now I have a cute lizard body. Next, I made it red. Lastly, what I needed to do was add the lizard's legs. To do this, I made another list of points representing the legs of the lizard, and had the program draw the legs before the lizard's body. When the distance between the foot and the body was too far, it moved the foot to a spot in front of the lizard, like it's taking a step. This was harder than it looked. I ended up on a system where a clone would constantly go to the lizard's neck and point towards its head, and then make the lizard direction variable the direction it was facing. I could then place the feet of the lizard away from the lizard in the direction of lizard direction. I could have used an ATAN block for this, but Scratch's direction system makes it unnecessarily hard. And that's pretty much all. I ended up adding some customization options so you can change the color of the lizard, add little axolotl frills, change how long its legs can be, and how fast its color changes. But other than that, the lizard was pretty much finished. Check out my project on Scratch if you want to remix it or try it yourself.